Hi guys, welcome to Precious Gift School. Today we are doing home science. We are just cooking. Grade 7 we are cooking chicken, and grade 8 they are cooking fish, and grade 9 are making samosas.
Tropical music instrumental. Beats by Dim's Rhythm, beat maker of Reunion Island, baby. Check me for this beat. Tropical music instrumental. This is Dim's Rhythm Beats.
Hi, my name is Joel from Precious Gifts. As you can see, I'm making pieces of the samosa, the process of cooking samosa. Thank you.
Tropical music instrumental. Beats by Dim's Rhythm, beat maker of Check me for this beat.
Welcome to Precious Gift. My name is Ethan George. I'm in grade 7. Today we are grilling chicken and stealing vegetables.
Hi everyone, my name is Alukwek. I'm in grade 8. Today we were frying fish. So we did all the processing fish. We did the frying, even the scaling, how the fish is done from the start to the end. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Angelina Rob. I am from Precious Gifts. I am in grade 8. Our project of this term has been cooking fish, and we have been cooking fish during the day, and it was a good experience. I've really learned a lot from cooking the fish, removing everything, and scaling the fish. It was really a good experience, and I've learned how to cook fish right now. My name is Ethan George. I'm from Precious Gift. Hello, my name is Ashley Mutua, and I'm from Precious Gifts. Yes, my name is Jasmine Duku. I'm from Precious Gifts. Hello, my name is Tyron. I'm from Precious Gifts. The food was nice. It had like some vitamins, a lot of fat for grade 9, and that's all.
The food is yummy. So I need to Joshua Bohanji. This is Teacher John Precious Gifts. We just had a project and it was amazing. As you can see, our mouths are shiny. Clear evidence of good work done. Welcome to Precious Gifts. We live, we love, we learn. Thank you.